Hey mama, if you ever stood in the kitchen stirring soup with one hand, calming a toddler with the other, and wondering if this is all there is to actually life right now, I see you. You are not lazy, you are not behind, you are not even less than. You are just craving a way to grow, create, and also contribute without sacrificing your time, energy, and identity. Today, let's talk about how yes, you can start earning from home by creating digital products even if you have never sold a thing online before, even if you're not a techie, and also even if you got a baby by your side or maybe on your lap and you are reading this. Welcome to the world of kitchen to cash flow. So, what are really digital products? Digital products are downloadable files that people buy online. I want you to think of printable planners, journals, and workbooks. I want you to think something like coloring books, ebooks, or maybe something like templates and affirmation cards and much more. Okay? No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. You create it once and it can sell over and over and again. Now pair this with AI tools like ChatGPT, Manus AI, Perplexity, Dzine AI, Canva AI or Magic Design, and much more AI tools. You've got a recipe even a multitasking mama can follow. Why do digital products are so perfect for stay-at-home moms? First, they are flexible. You can work during nap time or maybe late at night. They have low cost to start. Most tools, maybe for AI, are free. And also, let's talk about Canva, ChatGPT, etc. And something else, it is in terms of creative. You get the express, or maybe you get to express your ideas and passion. And number 4, it is in terms of scalability. Okay. So I'm going to tell you a step by step how to go from kitchen to cash flow. Step number one, you have to choose a niche you relate to. Start with what you know. Some ideas that you can start is in terms of self-care for moms, healing from heartbreak, or maybe budgeting for big families, affirmations for new moms, multicultural family planners, faith-based journals. Just ask yourself, what do people always come to you for advice on? Now, step number 2 is to use AI to brainstorm and build fast. You don't need to actually stare at a blank page. You can use ChatGPT to help you generate product ideas, write your ebook intro, create coloring book stories, list affirmation quotes, design planners, and much more. I'm going to give you a very example prompt. For instance, let's go to ChatGPT and say something like, now, you can give this to ChatGPT or maybe any other AI tool that you are using, and then I'm sure you're going to get the same result or maybe different result in different variation, but it's going to work. Now, the prompt that we're going to be using, like I said, it is create 30 daily affirmations for overwhelmed moms. Just to know that you can create separately, like if you want to add this affirmation to maybe something else. Let me show you. Like you can see, ChatGPT will start giving you all the affirmation quotes here. Okay, all of them, 30 of them. As you can see, it is actually generating of them. Let's go to see how. Let's read some of them. For week number 1, calming the chaos. Okay, we deal with chaos. I'm just using moms because this is my my area or maybe where I am right now. Now, something like I'm doing my best and that is enough. That is an affirmation that a mom who is struggling not with the kids, who is handling a lot of things with the kids. When you actually tell someone like such a mom like you are doing your best and that is enough, she feels comfortable. She feels actually you are seeing what she's doing. Something like I choose grace over perfection. Okay, this is something a mom can speak to herself and she can actually calm her troubles with the family, with the kids. Now, all of them, they are here, and to make even things much better, you can actually ask ChatGPT to turn this into, let's say, something into coloring pages or maybe coloring prompts for coloring book, so that you can insert each and every prompt, that every affirmation that you have been given here. So let me write a small prompt that you can use, something like, now as an expert, a bestseller and an illustrator for adults coloring books, write prompts for each of the above for a coloring book. Remember to indicate where the text goes. Okay, and then we're gonna say enter. and then you can see ChatGPT gonna create all of these. Okay, it's gonna create prompt for you. This is where the prompts, number one, affirmation. If you see that it is not doing what you want, you still have let's enter the top elegant script. Okay, you still have the chance to interrupt and then do or maybe tell it to put in your style. Okay, it's gonna create all of them. So let's get one of them. I'm gonna take one of them and test if AI can actually create. We are doing this because we said as moms we need help and we don't have time to struggle, especially if we don't know how to illustrate. The website that I normally use to give me the best results is actually none other than ColoringBook.ai, like ColoringBook.ai, which is one of the best. It has a lot of features that are worth. So let's, for instance, if you want to create one page, you're going to come here where it says text to coloring pages, and then you're going to insert your prompt from ChatGPT. You're going to choose the age. It is an adult book. Okay, and then you can choose the square or the dimension, and then you can put in private. Okay, I'm just gonna high quality and then remove the watermark. Okay, let me move this one so that you can see, and then you're gonna say generate. It's gonna take 2 credits to generate, and as you can see, it has started generating. And let's see if it's gonna get everything right. Okay, so the affirmation is I am doing my best, that is enough. Okay, let's see if it can actually do that. Okay, here we have, let's see if it is something. This is something worth coloring, especially for moms who have kids. Super amazing. Okay, now as you can see here, I am doing my best, and that is enough. It hasn't gotten the text very well. We're gonna check the other one. I'm doing my best, and okay, it has not gotten the text well. Okay, we're gonna actually try again one more time. Let's try again and see. So as you can see, guys, this is what it has created. Let's click on this one, and I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna turn it. So I think this one has gotten I'm doing my best, and that is enough. The text is not okay. We need to remove best and also change into a coloring if you want. But for this one, the visuals are not too much great, but we can still create something else. Let's turn, or maybe let's change this one. I'm gonna change here because this prompt, it's not giving the right details. So I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to give me the right details so that the AI can know where to put the text. Okay, so I'm gonna give ChatGPT a simple prompt like please write. Okay, write needs to change. Please write the prompts in full and also tell the AI where to place the text, because we are using AI, okay, not real people. So it's going to give us 2 options. You can see the first response and the second response here. Let's see what it's going to generate so that we can write all these, and you can see it is working on the results. And already I've seen which one we are going with. For this one, below are 30 detailed AI illustration prompts for adult coloring based on the affirmation for overwhelmed moms. Each prompt includes full visual description for AI generation suitable for tools like Dzine AI, Midjourney, etc. Exact placement instruction for where the information text should appear on the coloring page. Consistent. Okay, it is almost done, so that we can choose. I prefer this respond. Okay, that's what we're gonna be going with. We have all our 30 text here, and this is the first one. Line art illustration of a cozy living room. A tired but smiling mom sits on a couch with a warm blanket, a toddler on the floor, and a cup of tea in her hand. Soft floral accents on the wall. Text placement centered at the top of the page in a flowing cursive frame. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, the prompt seems so good. And then we're gonna bring it to here, to ColoringBook.ai. We're gonna place we're gonna say this one, text to coloring page here. and then we're gonna place it here, and then we're gonna choose the dimension. We are choosing the square. We're gonna put everything private and then high quality, and then remove the watermark and then press generate. Okay, and as you can see, it is being generated. Let's see. It actually takes less than a second to actually generate this one. So if you are seeing this one, the text is not there. The visuals are super great. Let's click on here. You can see the visuals are super great, as you can see. Okay, mom with the cup. There is a child here. The mom is sitting on the couch. Let's see the other one. Okay, this one looks pretty much well, even the child and the mom. And also there is a space we can actually use. We're gonna download this one. If you don't like this visual, or maybe you don't like the page, you can do what, you can still generate it to Canva. Okay, I'm gonna bring it, this was what I'm gonna bring it to Canva, just like that. Okay, this is it, and then we're gonna remove the background just like that with one click in Canva. I'm on Canva Pro. We can rescale this one into something that we want it to fit here. Okay, we're gonna rescale it, and then for the text, because it didn't put the text, we can still take our text here, add a text here at the top. Okay, and then we're gonna go to ChatGPT. This is the text. Where is the text? The affirmation. Okay, send the top illustration widgets. Let's see, line at here. Copy. Come to Canva. Add our text here. Make sure that we are scaling it to the size that we want. Okay, here. And then you can add effects, something like maybe you can make it hollow, depending on how you want. If you want, you can change this one to something else, friendly, okay, or maybe something like that, or something child friendly, not like mommy stuff. Okay, you can actually rescale it like that. You can even change this one to upper scale. Okay, just like that, you have something that people will really want to color, or maybe to use, especially for moms who are undergoing a lot of things, because let me tell you, it's not an easy job to be a mom. It takes a whole village. What am I doing? It takes a lot to be a mom. You can actually place here. I was trying to customize it in a way that, okay, you can move that, and that's it. You can leave it that way, or if you want, you can add elements and stuff depending on how you want. For instance, you can get something. Okay, now if you want from the element, just to make sure that you are actually customizing it and it's gonna look like you did it. Okay, you can add a flower here if you want. You can add double click and add here again if you want. You can make it as beautiful as you want for beautiful moms. Okay, and double click here. Okay, I'm just doing it fast, but I know you can do much better. This is a coloring sheet that you can actually sell. Once you do all of them, like that, and then make sure that you are checking the visuals how they are. And I'm quite sure moms will love to color something like this. You can even enlarge this one to see how it looks like. Okay, just like that, and you can see it looks super much pretty. We have a child, we have a mom with a cup, a toy, she's sitting on the couch. We have the affirmations here. Okay, and that is it, guys. This is how you create something of your own using AI tools and start making money from your kitchen as a mom, as a busy parent, busy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you like to see more, especially when it comes to digital products and actually using AI tools the right way as moms, and to earn money online, or maybe to make money online, I want you to do me one favor: share this video to any person who needs to know, or maybe who needs to learn. And also do me one favor: subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.